If you are bored of making that same cauliflower curry over and over again, then try this cauliflower recipe, and I'm sure from now on you will start making this over and over again instead. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Okay, so here I have allowed a pot of water to come up to a rolling boil. I will be blanching cauliflower and potatoes. Now here I would like to mention that though I added cauliflower and potatoes both at the same time, please do not do that when you are following the recipe. Add the potatoes first, allow them to boil for about 4 to 5 minutes and then add the cauliflower. Boil for 4 minutes after adding the cauliflower and then off heat and drain the water carefully through a colander. But remember to save that water as we will make use of that later. Pan on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, in goes the blanched veggies. Fry them on high heat till they get slightly browned up along the edges. Then take them out onto a plate, making a nice little mess like I did. Okay, back to that same pan. 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil turns hot, add sliced onions. No, I won't tell you today to be patient with the onions because you do not need to wait till they turn brown. You just want them to turn pale. Then add chopped ginger and a few cloves of garlic that I didn't bother to chop. I have taken 1 jalapeno that I have chopped, half of which will go in now and save the other half for later. Next, the tomato beauties go in along with a sprinkle of salt. Give a quick stir and then cover it on medium-high heat for just 3 to 4 minutes. You do not have to wait till the tomatoes turn mushy. They need to soften down just a little bit. Now heat off and take everything out onto a bowl. You must be now thinking, what is she doing today? Putting everything in and then taking out? What we are doing here is developing flavors for which you will thank me later. Okay, allow this onion tomato mix to cool down a bit. Then put everything in your blender, add about 6 tablespoons of water and blitz. You need a smooth paste like this. Next comes the usual drill, that is making the spice paste. Bowl out and in goes the 3 friends: turmeric powder, chilli powder, or you can even use paprika if you want to avoid the heat, and ground coriander. Add 4 tablespoons of water, mix and done. Okay, as you can see, I have rinsed out my pan. Oil goes in. Once oil gets hot, and by hot I don't mean smoking hot because next in line are the cumin seeds, and if you add them in smoking hot oil, then they will burn. As soon as the seeds start to splutter or become fragrant, add the spice paste. And guys, make sure that the heat of your stove is low while adding the spice paste, because again, you do not want the spices to burn. If they burn, the curry will become bitter. Stir for a few seconds and then the tomato onion paste pours down. I added a sprinkle of sugar to balance the flavors, and then the rinsed out blender jar goodness, because we do not waste anything. We need to get all that goodness till the last drop. So lid on, medium heat for 5 minutes. 5 minutes done, lift off. The fried potatoes and cauliflower tumble down along with half of the jalapeno that I had saved earlier. And no, I haven't forgotten the salt. Stir on medium-high heat till each and every cauliflower and potato gets coated with that sauce. Now remember that water that we had saved earlier after draining the vegetables? I will use 1 cup of that water. Allow the gravy to come up to a boil. Then it's time for the garam masala powder to perfume the dish and do all the magic. Cover it on medium heat for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, check whether the potatoes have turned soft. If not, then cover again until they turn soft. My potatoes are perfect, so I added frozen green peas that I had thawed out. If you are using fresh green peas, then add them along with the potatoes and cauliflower. Do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. Then you know what will show up on the screen. Coriander leaves, of course. If you don't like coriander, do not add. As simple as that. The potatoes soak up all that gravy goodness, and the cauliflowers taste absolutely delicious along with the sweetness from those green peas. Serve this with rice or roti and you are going to love it. Please smash that like button, and if you want to watch more recipes like this, then please click on the video showing up on the screen. Bye bye.